Hello, today I try to let you know how to generate amortization based on type of repayments. First of all, equal amortization. Second, equal principal payments. Third, interest-only amortizations, aka a balloon payments. I do not explain a definition of three types of repayments. Just I explain how to generate these using Python. Okay, move to here. I will use X-Wings and NumPy financials to generate cash flow and import sample data. You can find how to install NumPy financial through internet, so I do not explain this at this moment. Okay, it's installs, and then this is import sample data like this here. Sorry for that. Here, this Excel sample data. So this is using X-Wings sample data. Okay, I loading a sample data here. Okay, let me see the data here. So you can see the data like this. Okay, so as you can see, base DT exprdt is a object string, so I have to convert these columns into data type. So I will do like this. This is here, and then I need to how many months left to expire date to generate cash flow. I mean payments, principal payments, interest payments. So I calculate this, and then maybe I need to check if number of months is negative or equal to 0. Run. See, there are two rows which is less than 0 or equal to 0. Okay, I to generate correct cash flow, I I need to change 0 negative value into positive, something like this. So okay, let me check again. See, no columns. So now I prepare everything for generate cash flow. First of all, equal amortizations. Okay. To do this, I need generate rows based on number of months. Okay. Run. See, original data just one column, but after that is we generate multiple column based on number of months. See, like this. Yeah, 6 columns. And then change the index, and then x calculate how many months left to, and then generate interest payments, and then principal payments using the non-prime finance. This is not difficult one. Let's see, run, and then let me check. Yeah, as you can see, you can generate like this. Then change PM, convert the type of principal payments from string to float, and then you calculate cumulate principal payments and reverse it. So you can see it here like this. Okay, after that we export this result to check is right or not. Okay. See, this is the results of extract data. You can see the like this. Okay, just and then move to equal principal payments. Okay, same thing, and then you do same procedure, same steps, and then first of all calculate principal payments and convert string to float, and then calculate cumulative summation of principal payments. Do like this. Then you can get the equal principal payments. Last one, you will calculate interest only amortizations. It is easy. First of all, calculate interest payments, and then here. Oh, let me see. Okay, good. And then here. Here. Then you can get final results like this. Here. That's all. If you have any questions, leave comments. Bye bye.